This mixer is very controversial. This is the KSM 77-quart mixer. They released these in 2022 and they really dropped the ball with their advertising campaign. Because previously, every 7-quart machine had the same motor and transmission as the commercial units, which boasts a 1.3 horsepower DC motor. And the KSM 70 only has a 500 watt AC motor. It's weaker, less reliable, and a ton of people bought it thinking it was the DC version. Only to find out they got duped. The good news is we can turn this into this. Let's get started. This upgrade is being done for a long-time follower. She previously bought an 8-quart commercial to send in to have powder coated in this color. That's right, we now offer powder coating so we can actually customize a mixer in any color you desire. We've had a lot of interest in purples lately. But our customer loved this color so much that she just wanted us to upgrade one of these. Here's what the system currently looks like. With the top removed, we now need to go ahead and punch out this pin. And once that pin is out, this planetary just pulls away from the machine. We do need to remove the motor, so we're going to start by pulling out this hall sensor. We're going to undo this power wire clip as well. And when we start removing this motor, we want to start with the front and the middle back. There's one of those on each side. As you work to remove it, keep your hand on the underside of the machine. Because once that last screw comes loose, so does the ring gear. It's heavy, it'll fall, it'll damage your paint. By the way, if you're interested in doing this to your machine, we do have tutorials and a kit. Now for the last 4 screws holding this motor down into place. Now once all those screws are out, this motor can just be lifted out of place. Next for the board, there's just 2 screws. And once those are out, we're going to lift this, we're going to find another clip right there. We need to remove this clip. And then lastly, the ground screw. Once removed, you can just pull this whole cord away. Always do your due diligence. We're going to make sure all of these screws are nice and tight. Now it's time to rebuild the machine. All of the components in the kit are right here. Motor, speed board, ring gear, power cord, and a little tub of grease. Let's do it. We've got our ground screw. There's an electrical clip coming from the cord, and that needs to click in place right here. Then we can simply drop our board down into place and line up our screw holes. Screw that baby down into place, followed by dropping that motor down into place as well. We need to go ahead and secure that motor down with its mounting screws. Now at this point we can go ahead and come back and click in our power wire, as well as our hall sensor here. The mounting screws are in place, we are plugged in. Let's just go ahead and test for function. Oh my, that sounds beautiful. Let's throw on our ring gear. It's got these 2 little notches right here. Those match up with these tabs on the motor. And once you have that up in place, go ahead and screw it in. Next we need our little baby tub of grease. And we're just going to take a few fingers full. And go ahead and smear it up in this gear teeth. We just want a light dusting up there. Sorry kids, no snow days. Followed by sliding up our planetary, aligning our pinholes, and then tapping that pin into place to secure it. All that we need to do now is pop on our upper housing, secure it into place with our screws, and then slide our band on and screw that into place as well. And just like that, we now have a brand new 7-quart, 1.3 horsepower DC mixer. Which in my humble opinion, is a definite upgrade.